Baseball passes ahead to Drummond, who has her pocket picked by Stonewall. 2-on-1. Millender to the rim.
They just turned it on. They didn't have it on the first half.
Millender's had a big second half, and it will continue. Leads all scores. And breathing room. And now Millender the steal. Contact and one.
Battling and a rebound by Kelly Campbell.
Put a box out by Campbell.
Drive.
Three. That three is fitting of Carolyn Keeger's message to her team in the timeout. She said, put your foot on the gas.
Ranked as high as 9th in the country.
And 9-0 in the Big East. That's on the line here.
Millender on the post up on Heidemann. Heidemann will have to let her go.
Pass. Although that shot doesn't fall, that is solid execution in the half-court set for the Blue Jays.
Millender got it.
I was first looking and thinking, okay, Dahlman played some good defense, cut her off, forced her to pick up the basketball.
Does not leave the floor. Millender on the drive. Fade away.
See that paint touch, Millender.
All these seniors, and you can feel when DePaul gets it going, the crowd gets into it, but Marquette answers.
Cut freshman, no doubt in her mind.
Another deep three on the way. Ball turnover UConn. Campbell on the run. An open look and
Fences. Left corner Bakelja. Out top now. Wide open Millender. The three is buried.
Deep attack. She gets
Her spots, she knows when to push the basketball. She's able to knock down three.
Ready that entire possession.
Millender. They had just slightly fallen out after March 4th, again after the Davenport injury.